and I am here in Orlando. We are off to Animal Kingdom today. The light is quite bad in this room, sorry. We're gonna have a fairly quiet day today, do Animal Kingdom. We had a pretty hectic day at Magic Kingdom yesterday and we went to Walmart. I do have a series going if you want to go back and look. But yeah, follow it up. I have no ears today. The only 2 pairs of ears I have left, other than the mini ones, are the Winnie the Pooh ones, which I want to keep for our second day at Magic Kingdom, and the Pizza Planet ones, which I want to obviously use for Hollywood Studios. So I think that means I'm buying ears today. Animal Kingdom ears. We'll see. Can't have nothing in this breathless. The fit check.
It's my turn.
Sheen. Primark. Sheen. Chip socks. From Sheen. That's it. It's diabolical. I just filled up my thing with water. Say good morning, vlog. Good morning, vlog.
As always. We're going to Dunkin's, guys. Dunkin's.
We go Panda Express instead?
We're going Dunkies.
Are we gonna fit in the drive-thru?
Yeah.
What did Panda Express do?
Pandas.
Yeah, we're going to the drive-thru.
Oh, yeah.
See the way it needs to settle when you put it in park. It's weird.
Settle cut.
You gotta let it settle. Can I get the did you give us stirrers, no?
No.
Becky, can we use your straw to stir?
Oh no. I got an iced latte with skimmed milk and butter pecan syrup.
I'm putting it in
Okay,
like that.
taste test.
I did it.
Good man. I knew you could. Yeah. All these coffees are scorchio. We don't want to be that lady in McDonald's who had to suffer through $1 million lawsuit.
Mine's alright.
Steps down some
There's
water.
definitely alligators in there.
Not that you would be swimming in there, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I did. 6:30. Going to have a shower.
But you didn't do that.
No, because I went out to the kitchen and I tidied up.
We'll go.
This mightn't be $30 here.
It is
$30
$30.
all parks. Here, Becky, it's you.
You have arrived.
Gators. There's gators. Hella gators. Everybody, we are parked in Dinosaur. Oh, it is Scorchio, isn't it? It's a little bit Scorchio.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados.
Just remain seated with those doors closed until we reach our full and complete stop. Once
Oh, I left my phone in the car.
You don't English.
On the floor.
Yeah, you don't English.
Good morning from Animal Kingdom. We're just getting ready to go in. There's like a photo pass picture zone here, so the kids want to go and take a picture here, and then we're gonna go in. Oh, it is a lot more Scorchio than we thought today. So, yeah, this is the vibe. gotta stay hydrated because it is hot. We're gonna do clockwise because clockwise makes us feel better, doesn't it? Autism. Slay. Yeah, this is cool. I love flamingo.
No, it isn't. It's a spoonbill.
What's that? Oh. He's really cute. Hi.
It's 11. 3 o'clock. You're in bed.
Thank you. Oh, that's good to know. That is good to know. Oh, this is so cute. Aww. I can never see my name anymore. I'd say my name is really old-fashioned now. Oh, there it is. The Squishmallows. She wasn't lying. Squishmallows are great. Oh, the little mushroom. Is that a cat? Oh. A bag of rocks. Nice. Oh, fishies. Come with me. See here. It is amazing. Hello. So we just booked Rainforest Cafe for dinner later. We are after booking us all onto Avatar Flight of Passage using the DAS. So might do a separate video on DAS and that process and how you kind of apply and the criteria and stuff like that, because it is very useful if you have people with sensory disabilities in your party. So yes, we're just going to take a walk around. It's giving us a time of about an hour to come back, so it's still long, but oh my god, the Tree of Life! Amazing! I want to meet Kevin. If I have to meet anyone today, it's going to be Kevin. Oh, I need to get ears. I'm going to go in here and get ears.
On the way out, okay?
No, I need them for the park, obviously.
Well, Becca, if
I need
you're
ears.
I'm
I need ears. There's ears here. Animal Kingdom ears acquired. I think they're Moana. Pretty sure.
No, that'd be kind of silly, wouldn't it? They get their pea color from the food they eat. Yeah. Wow. What do you think that's on the ground like this? And the food and the water comes inside their beak. Do you think that they swallow all the water that comes inside their beak? Yes. They do? You know what? They actually can filter it out. Kind of like a spaghetti strainer. The water goes back out and all the food stays in. And they eat it and they turn pink. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
You earned a bed.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Thank you. Wow, you have to like look at your book and see everything in the park. Thanks, Hannah. Bye.
Now we gotta, if you see a wilderness explorer, then
Oh, that is so lovely. There are wilderness explorers around, and at different points, the two girls got a little book where they can literally look at all the animals, and when they see the wilderness explorers, they'll give them a little badge to say that they found them. So I think it's a really nice idea. Really lovely. John's moves are probably not into steps. I can't see any. I think they're asleep. No, I think they're asleep. That was a bummer.
There it is, right over here.
Oh, whoa! I love my ears, they're great. I just did my hair in a plait as well because it is very, very, very hot. Hotter than we thought today. This is the queue. Safari. So we're just in the queue for Kilimanjaro Safari. Who's that? Yeah. Willow wants to vlog. It says the walk-on time is 50 minutes, so we're just going to kind of get us out of the sun as well, kind of in the shade and there's fans, so it's not too bad.
Hold the vehicle with the truck for your safari will be shortly. For your own safety, always remain seated during the safari.
Wildlife Reserve. But before we can get started, gotta go through some safe black rhinoceros. The black rhino is one of the smaller species of rhino, only about 3,000 pounds when fully grown. They got this really distinct triangular pointed upper lip. It is prehensile. That means finger-like. So as we're seeing here, they can use it to grab and grip onto things, mostly their food. Stork. Now, as we can see, she is laying down on a long portion of her legs, but standing upright, saddle-boat storks can measure about 5 feet tall with a wingspan of roughly 9 feet. I need all my friends fully and completely seated, guys. Please, 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 so we can cross this bridge. Amazing. Now crabs get big. Any of my friends 16 to 20 feet long, over 500 pounds when fully grown. The largest of the freshwater crocodilians. Around 75 pounds worth of food each and every day. The dress most useful tool in all that eating is their long, flexible tongue. That tongue is so incredibly long. The species of zebra to have a dewlap is the Hartman's mountain zebra. That's what we're seeing here now. If you can't quite see that dewlap, that's okay. We have another thing to look for, that white banded belly. Now there's 2 other species of zebra, and for them, their stripes connect across 1,000 miles in search of fresh vegetation. Check the rainfall patterns to achieve that. And along that journey, the nearby of the herd in their early teenage years to either travel alone, like this, or in very small, loosely organized herds of all males. Some greater flamingos here on our left. Greater flamingos, largest, tallest species of flamingo. They also happen to be the dullest flamingo in pink color. That's real pale shade of pink going for them. They're certainly still pretty. A couple of those birds do have grayish brown feathers, black tinted legs, and those are amongst the youngest. Pull them off in the hot Savannah sun. But that resulting layer of mud that is then left behind acts as a natural form of sunscreen and insect repellent. Now this behavior that we're seeing here, this rhino is scratching off some of the excess mud to create just a nice thin layer.
We queued for that for like over an hour, but it was definitely worth it. It was lovely literally to see all of the animals, and it was just really nice. We found another wilderness explorer post. Wow.
Amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden.
Oh my god, that was amazing. It was so amazing, wasn't it? If you haven't done that, it's so worth it. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy, but it's amazing.
I'm hoping just because...
Exit at the gift store. Always exit at the gift store. I genuinely think that was the best ride I've ever been on, ever. Ever. Like, it was just... like the smells, the sounds, it was just brilliant. Well worth doing. If you have DAS or if you have Lightning Lane, I definitely would recommend using that for Avatar. It is really worth it, but the queue would be long in the heat. But the queue now is an hour and a half, which is a long time. It's like 75 minutes, so you're better off, definitely better off booking through DAS or booking through Lightning Lane. So we've just booked the river rapids in Asia, so we're going to head over there and we're going to do those. We have a reservation for Rainforest Cafe for 3 o'clock, so we're going to go have dinner there then. So yeah, that's where we're going. Where are we going? Off straight to Asia!
And I think that one orange or 350, I got the invoice for.
We just walked on to Expedition Everest, and it knocked the ponytail like clean out my head. I'm so proud of myself. I'm usually a chicken, but I think genuinely I just didn't realize how hard that was going to be, or how bad that was going to be, and I think that was a good thing because I didn't get wound up. But that was fun. What do you think?
Oh, Jeannie Mac, that was like flipping amazing.
It was crazy. So we are just on our way to the river rapids, the Kali River Rapids. We used DAS for it, so we're just waiting for the time. Went to the toilet. We're going to put our stuff into the lockers and we're going to go do that, and then it's going to be time for dinner. We just did the river rapids. We're absolutely soaked. And we are late for dinner, so we need to leg it. Absolutely.
Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! I'm drowned.
She's drowned. So, going to go get some dinner.
T-shirt's cool, Willow. Do you feel a bit more comfortable now that you're not all wet?
I'm not going.
No, you're doing. Yeah, she's like, whatever. About no life, but anyway. Melody of the Sea. Fish and no. It's crazy, isn't it?
That was delicious. I ended up getting an appetizer, a starter. I mentioned it in other videos. I'm a bariatric patient. I've had weight loss surgery, so I can't eat a whole pile. And I still found the appetizer very, very, very filling, and I ended up having to take it to go. I've also had to take my Diet Coke to go. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. She saw me vlogging from a mile away and was like, oh no! Thank you! Oh, the girl dropped back my mum's hat. She's really nice. What are you saying? Go on.
We went on a ride which is so close, and I had to get a new t-shirt because I was drowned.
Yeah, we went on the river rapids and she got drowned, so did I. I'm still wet from it. I actually had to go outside, like we're outside now, but it's actually cold inside with the air conditioning and being wet, so I'm hoping I'm going to dry off now and get a bit warmer. But yeah, I think we're going to go to Dinoland and then we're going to go home. Kevin, I love you! I love you, Kevin! I love you! Hi, Kevin!
Oh.
Jared, go in! It's Kevin! Okay. I'm happy now I saw Kevin. I said that when we came in, I was like, the only person I want to meet is Kevin. And we got to meet Kevin, so very happy. I got a bit excited. I was like, Kevin! Kevin, I love your work! What is this? Oh, the fossil site. We're in Dinoland.
Dinosaurs. I know it's a cute. They're cute.
I don't like that. We went on Dino. I don't like it at all. Oh my gosh, shut up. Chip and Dale. Oh my god. Guys, Chip and Dale dinosaurs. Chip, you're on my sock. I love you. I love you. Can't believe I saw Kevin. Can't believe I saw Chip and Dale in dinosaur costumes. I saw Daisy.
There's another character up here. Let's go.
Who's up here? Lads, who's up here? There's somebody up here. Daisy. Another character. There's loads of characters in Animal Kingdom. Oh, it's Goofs. It is Goofy. So we are just finishing up at Animal Kingdom and heading back to the house. We always kind of knew we were going to kind of take it easy today, but if you haven't been to Animal Kingdom, I would really recommend it. I wouldn't sleep on it as a park. It's really nice. The animals are lovely. There's loads of character meeting opportunities. Food is good. Again, if you have DAS or Lightning Lane, I would definitely use it for Avatar. We didn't have to queue for Everest, which was great. We literally just walked on. But the only thing we really queued for today was the safari, which was an hour and a half, and it was a bit hot. But all in all, a really good day. Hello, Editing Becca from the future here. If you enjoyed today's video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm so tired. I'm just back to the villa. If you could like and subscribe, it really does a lot for the channel. And there is more vlogs coming up. Bye.